Our project is Twitter friends recommendation based on tweets. Now this is our overall system design. As you can see from this chart, we divide our system into three big parts. The components in the brown background stand for our data collection part, and the components in the green background stands for our data processing parts, and the components in the yellow background stands for our web application part. And you can see there are two main workflows in this chart. One is blue and the other is red. The blue workflow stands for a cluster-based recommendation approach, and the red workflow stands for a classification-based recommendation approach. And our project mainly consists of these three big components, which are the two workflows and our web application components.
Okay, here I will show you our code structure and some demos based on the code. And our code is basically on these three parts. The first one is the supervised data collection and the neural network training method. And the second one is the unsupervised data collection and the cluster based on the k-means algorithm. And the third one is our full stack application, the web application. People can get access to the web. And first I will show the supervised data collection. And here's our training. And after the training using neural network, we can get a model named mymodel.h5, and you will give the labels to each real-time tweet based on the model. Here I will show you the whole process of collecting the Twitter. Okay. Here I will use the Python back process as our main progress. I'm sorry, it's the main program. Here you can see that I'm using some basic words like the A is for the keywords to do the data collection, to do the real-time data collection. And here you can see I converted the original text to the processed one, and use the processed one to as the basis to give the labels to each tweet. And I also use the geolocation and the user's name to combine all these parts into a very specific user object, and store this object into the MongoDB for the website to get access. And here's the introduction for the supervised data learning. Okay, next I will show you the unsupervised data collection and the cluster algorithm based on k-means. And firstly, I will show you the data collection algorithm designed by ourselves. And here is the main program here, and you can just select one very famous user and select and search the many followers of this user as basic users. And firstly, I will show you the process for searching for the users who are following Yao Ming, a very famous Chinese basketball player. And here is the user who are following Yao Ming. And next, I'm trying to collect all these tweets delivered by the followers of Yao Ming. I just collected their IDC in a CSV file, and I will run this tweet dumper.py to collect all these users' tweets. And here I put on two filters. One is their language must be English, and their location information must be enabled first. We can analyze their tweets based only on the English language, and we can put their location on the Google map according to their enabled location information. And here I have already collected some tweets about some people, about some Twitter users. And next I will show you the results of the k-means algorithm. Here is based on the Jupyter. Here is the result. It is a program, and it will take a wholly long time for us to run the program. So I will just show you the results. It's a very interesting part. Yes, here's the results. We cluster the 6,000 people into 10 clusters, and some clusters have very interesting results, and some people like the game, like playing, like football, they may enjoy the process of exercise, and others may enjoy the Trump, the president, the tax, and they may concentrate more on the policies, the government, and some very interesting findings here. And this is our whole process for the unsupervised learning algorithm. Okay, next I will show you the final part of our project. Is about the full stack web application. Our website is designed based on the Node.js, so I can just go into this file and run the node app.js to start the web application. I will show you the process. CD big data and yeah, I will run the node app.js file. To start the web application, and now you can just get access to this website and get the information you want. Oh, you can just see that from the Google Map API. So I'm searching for the job. Yes, and here's the job. And if I'm searching for some topics about that is related to the sports, you can search for another category, maybe this one, and you can get connection with him. Oh, they are basketball players. There may be a basketball team, so you can get connection with him or her, or with this team. And you can also, you can search 7 categories here, and you can also search for some people just it's maybe a distance away from you in this region. Okay, I will show this function maybe 200 kilometers from you, and you can click on this, and it will show you all the tweets is just in the distance of the 200 kilometers around yourself. So it's the whole function of our website, and finally I will deploy our website onto Amazon EC2 instance, and you can see that our Amazon EC2 is running now. Based on the based on the mobile X term, it's a visualized version of Amazon EC2, and since our web application is already deployed, so I can just get connection with the website. The end user from all over the world can get access to it, and I will just run it for you. Okay, you can just search and get the result. You may get connection with someone. Here, wow, he's a very muscle boy. If you want to get connection with him or her, if you want to learn something from him, you can just connection with her. Yes, it's a sports category. Okay, here's the total part of our final project for the big data, and thanks for your watching. Have a good day.